Your app could be great, but if your screenshots look dated, users scroll past. You get 3 seconds before someone downloads or bounces. I tested 7 screenshot generators, so you don't have to. Here's which ones actually work in 2026. Before we rank the tools, here's why dedicated generators have become the standard. 3 reasons. First, automated device framing. These tools automatically wrap your screenshots in the latest hardware frames, iPhone 16 Pro, Pixel 9, the newest 2026 models. Outdated frames signal an unmaintained app and hurt downloads. Second, batch exporting. Submitting to the App Store requires specific resolutions for every iPhone size, iPads, and Android devices. Specialized tools let you design once and export every required dimension at the same time. No more stretching images or failing submission because your pixels are wrong. Third, localization at scale. With global markets accessible to indie developers, localization is huge. Top generators integrate translation workflows so you can replicate designs across 30 or more languages without manually retyping text for every variation. Number 1 on the list is AppScreenshotStudio, and it's here because it works fundamentally differently from everything else. Instead of giving you templates and saying, "Go design," you describe your app in a sentence, pick a device, and get back a finished App Store compliant screenshot set. No templates to browse, no layouts to drag, no colors to match. It covers every device Apple and Google require. iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPad Pro 13-inch, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Pixel tablets, even Apple Watch Ultra 2. It automatically enforces the 60-40 rule, meaning minimum 60% app UI and maximum 40% lifestyle content. Violate that and Apple rejects you. Localization is one click for 30-plus languages with layouts reflowed per language. There's a free tier with 10 credits, no credit card needed. Paid plans start at $9.99 per month. Number 2 is AppLaunchpad, the veteran in this space with roughly 100,000 developers using it. Its biggest strength is a massive template library with hundreds of pre-built styles, which is helpful if you want a visual starting point but don't want to design from scratch. It's entirely web-based, so you can access it from any browser on any operating system. That makes it ideal for distributed teams. You get full manual control over every element, every font, every color, every pixel, which is a strength if you're a designer who wants precision. But that's also the trade-off. Every screenshot is still a design project you have to manage. If you have 10 minutes and enjoy picking templates, AppLaunchpad works great. If you have 50 apps to ship, the per screenshot effort compounds fast. Number 3 is Screenshots Pro, and its strength is localization at scale. If your team ships in multiple languages, this tool has a pipeline that handles text reflow, line break adjustments, and font fallbacks when translating into CJK or RTL scripts. That covers Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and right-to-left languages like Arabic and Hebrew. These are the languages that break most screenshot tools because the text length changes dramatically. Screenshots Pro also exposes an API for technical teams that want to automate screenshot generation inside their CI/CD build pipeline. You push code, screenshots get regenerated automatically. Volume pricing is designed for teams generating hundreds of assets per release. The trade-off is, it's not designed for solo developers. It's a team tool with team pricing. Let me cover the remaining 4 tools quickly. Number 4 is ScreenshotStudio, a native macOS app. If you live inside the Apple ecosystem, this one integrates deeply. It supports device frames for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Apple TV, and even Apple Vision Pro. It also uploads directly to App Store Connect, which removes one manual step. The limitation is macOS only. Number 5 is NextNative. This is for power users who want speed. Heavy keyboard shortcuts, bulk export, and minimal clicking. If you manage multiple apps and push updates weekly, the time savings add up. Number 6, MockMagic. Clean, simple device mockups without layout complexity. If you already have your copy figured out and just need a device frame around your screenshots, MockMagic is faster than opening a full editor. Number 7, Device Shots. This one is more for marketing graphics than App Store submission. High-resolution device renders for Twitter, LinkedIn, and product pages. Here's the comparison that matters. Every tool in this list except AppScreenshotStudio puts the design work on you. The key differences come down to three columns: effort model, free tier availability, and localization support. AppScreenshotStudio generates from a brief, has a free tier with 10 credits, and supports 30+ languages. AppLaunchpad uses manual templates with a limited free tier and manual localization. Screenshots Pro is manual plus API with no free tier but scripted localization. Screenshot Studio is manual templates, freemium, with built-in translation. NextNative is manual with shortcuts, free tier available but manual localization. MockMagic and Device Shots are simple mockup tools with limited free tiers and no localization. If you're a solo developer, the effort model column is the most important. Do you want to spend time designing, or do you want finished screenshots? Now let's talk strategy, because picking a tool is only half the equation. Research consistently shows that users rarely scroll past the third screenshot in the App Store. Your first three images must tell a complete story by themselves. Image 1, show the primary problem your app solves. Image 2, the main feature that solves it. Image 3, social proof, a download count, a rating, or a secondary killer feature. The copy on these first three images needs to be larger and more legible than the rest of the set. Limit yourself to 5 to 7 words per headline. Focus on benefits like sleep better tonight rather than features like REM sleep tracker. This is called benefit-driven copy, and it consistently outperforms feature lists. If someone glances at your first 3 screenshots and still doesn't understand what your app does, you've already lost the download. In 2026, releasing an app in English only is leaving serious money on the table. Non-English markets like Japan, Germany, Brazil, and South Korea often have lower cost per install and significantly less competition. The strategy is straightforward. Use a generator with built-in translation so you don't retype captions into 30 language variants manually. But here's the nuance most developers miss. Your screenshots should ideally show the app UI in the correct language too, not just translated captions over English screenshots. If you can't localize the UI itself, the caption text must clearly explain the value in the local language to compensate. Also consider that languages like German and French produce significantly longer text than English. A 5-word English headline might become 8 words in German, which breaks layouts. A good generator handles this text reflow automatically so you don't end up with clipped or tiny text. 2 more things that matter in 2026. First, dark mode. Most users browse the App Store in dark mode now. Your screenshots must look good against dark backgrounds. Test your designs at standard viewing sizes to confirm device frames and text pop against both white and black App Store backgrounds. If your screenshots have a white background, they'll look washed out in dark mode. Consider darker or colored backgrounds instead. Second, spatial computing. Here's a step-by-step workflow to go from raw screenshots to published assets in under 30 minutes. Step 1. Capture raw assets. Use the iOS simulator or a real device for high-resolution screenshots. Make sure the status bar is clean. Full battery, 9:41 a.m. time, full Wi-Fi. Step 2. Upload and describe. In AppScreenshotStudio, write a 1-sentence description and get a full set back. In template tools, pick a template that maximizes screen real estate. Straight-on views tend to be more readable than tilted phone angles. Step 3. Write short, punchy headlines. 5 to 7 words per screenshot. Benefits over features. Step 4. Review and export. Check the device frames, background colors, and copy placement. Use bulk export to generate every required device size. Step 5. Verify on your phone. Before uploading to App Store Connect, open the files on your actual phone. If you have to squint, the text is too small. Even with the right tools, 3 mistakes consistently hurt conversion. Mistake 1: cluttered layouts. Developers try to fit 2 phones or a paragraph of text on one slide because they want to show everything. Don't. Keep it simple. 1 phone, 1 headline. White space is your. If you want to skip the design work entirely, try AppScreenshotStudio for free at appscreenshotstudio.com. Link in the description.